Hey, this is Tom, owner of 702 IT. Thanks for stopping by. Do you own or operate multiple businesses or locations? Do you have a separate phone system for each? One of the great things about scaling multiple businesses is lowering expenses through synergy for back office systems and technology. We help owners and managers consolidate their expenses by using cloud technology to deliver phone service wherever you need it. One system can support and route hundreds of phone numbers and are not bound to a single address or physical space. This solution is really great not only for a single vertical, but can also be utilized for all your businesses while still maintaining operational separation. Here are a couple scenarios we currently have deployed in the wild. A local construction company operated by a husband shares the same phone system as the wife's e-commerce business. Both businesses have their own phone numbers and employees. One business rings a few extensions at once until someone answers. The other business has a fancy press 1 for this and 2 for that menu. Using 702 IT solution, slash their phone service expense and streamline operations, making it easier and more efficient to communicate. The owners only have one system and one application to make calls. We find it easier to maintain one system for essentially the same client, which also improves service and support. Another 702 IT client has dozens of locations plus their headquarters. All employees have an extension and can be reached directly using company phones. Having a single source phone directory really helps employees have a resource they can use without any training and get results quickly. When we consolidated all these locations and expenses, the savings was incredible. All of our phone solutions include unlimited extensions. Seriously, you can have as many extensions as you want without being charged by the extension. We build your phone solution in the cloud, making it easy without additional costs as you grow your business. We have simplified the process, making it easy to switch, and employees love it. I guarantee if you call me right now, 702-357-4333, we will start saving you time and money. Thanks for watching, and make it a great day.